Hey everyone, I'm audible, right?
Yeah, audio.
Okay,
ये किचन हो गया.
so how are you all?
Fine, भैया.
All right.
सब मस्त?
Fine, भैया. Fine.
Okay, so सबसे पहले तो इट्स रियली ग्रेट तुम लोग काफी इंटरैक्टिव हो, वरना हम लोग के ईयर के लोग इनफैक्ट आवर सीनियर्स आल्सो दे आर नॉट एट ऑल इंटरैक्टिव, तो ऐसा लगता है मैं बस लैपटॉप से ही बात कर रहा हूँ. So it's a very good start that you all are interactive. I appreciate that. And so last time when I took the info session, the only complaint I had was not seeing my beautiful juniors. और आज वो विश भी पूरी हो गई. So yeah, it's going great. And before we begin, let me just tell you that please take this session very casually. You can ask us, interact with us, interrupt us anytime and in any language you want. जब तक हमें Google Translate ना use करना पड़े, तब तक सब चलेगा. Okay. And we will also be conducting a Q&A session at the end where I, along with Manak Bhaiya and Chetali ji, and also others, would be answering all your questions that you shoot toward us. Okay, so चलिए शुरू करते हैं. Okay, so is my screen visible?
Yes.
Yes, you have.
Yes.
Yes,
Right.
yes.
Okay, thank you. So welcome first years to your very first official event of DAC. Drum rolls, please. Info session where I, Keshav Agarwal, and Manak Bhaiya will be walking you through on about what a DAC is and what should you expect. Okay. So before we begin, I hope you all know that every DAC has a lead, right? And do you know who our lead is? Koi idea?
Chetali Didi.
Yeah, bang, that's correct. Our lead is Chitali Bi. So she's an expert in her field, and that's why a Google expert has chose her to lead us, right? So I can tell you this that from development to coding, she got it all. And I know we all will have a very good time working along with her. And we'll also learn a lot from her in the process. Now, just like every DSC has a lead, it also comprises of core team members. जैसे lead होते हैं तो lead सिर्फ अकेला manage नहीं कर सकता. We also have core team members. So the responsibility of this core team members is like sharing their knowledge, and they conduct sessions on workshops, and they grow and build together with you all. Now these are our core team members. Okay, going from left to right, first we have Sir Debshikar Laha. He will be our faculty advisor, and he will be guiding and mentoring us all throughout the journey. Then we have Shiv Bhaiya, we have Abhineet Bhaiya, we have Shiny, and that's me, Keshav. We have Nivedita, and we have Bernali too. Now that we have got leads, we have got core team members, and we also have volunteers. So a DC is incomplete without its volunteers. These volunteers take up the hard job of ensuring that everything goes smooth. Okay, and they conduct these events and all also. Now going from left to right again, we have Mayank Bhaiya, we have Manak Bhaiya, with whom I'll be conducting this session today. We have Rishabh Bhaiya, we have Pratim Bhaiya, and we have Arupadi. Cool. So, okay, now a DSC contains lead, core members, volunteers. अब एक और बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज होती है डीएससी में, एक और पार्ट. कैन यू गेस क्या है वो? और भी कुछ लोग हैं जो
Participants.
बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. या
Participants.
करेक्ट. हाँ, जिसने भी बोला मैं देख नहीं सकता बिकॉज आई एम प्रेजेंटिंग, बट या दैट्स अ रियली नाइस आंसर. सो इट्स यू ऑल, तुम सब who take the initiative to learn and to participate, to make a change, to develop solutions. So, एक वो zeal होना चाहिए ना कुछ नया सीखने का. So वो सब तुम लोग में है. and you make up a very big part of DAC. So, in a nutshell, now we all are like wheels of this car, all set to go on this awesome journey ahead. Okay, so now I've told you a lot about what a DAC is made of, but what actually is a DAC? Anyone? कि DAC होता क्या है? Any idea?
It's like a club.
Okay. Yeah, बाकी लोग भी जो समझ में आए बोलो. Just consider it like a friendly
Develop,
conversation. हाँ बोलो.
developers community in our college, like Google का है जो.
Google का, like, yeah,
Okay.
but we can't tell it really like Google का. But
हाँ.
yeah, it's a great answer. So, okay, you all were almost correct, but let me still tell you. So, DAC stands for Developer Student Clubs, okay? And a Developer Student Club is a program powered by Google developers that identifies and supports university students who are passionate about growing developer community that foster learning, sharing, and collaboration. It is open to any student, ranging from novice developers who are just starting to advanced developers who want to further their skills. By joining a DAC, students grow their knowledge in a peer-to-peer learning environment and build solutions for local businesses and the communities. अच्छा, तो मैंने इतना कुछ भर तो दिया बट कुछ समझ नहीं आया होगा, राइट? सो लेट मी एक्सप्लेन अच्छे से. सो DAC ना एक कम्युनिटी या क्लब की तरह है, like the previous guy said, and where anyone who is interested can join with other like-minded people. यहाँ we learn something new. हम लोग hands on workshops, मतलब real time में कोई technology पे काम करते हैं. It's like all the like-minded developers get together under a roof and build something to solve an existing problem. Okay?
Okay, so is it possible for someone with a non-CS background to join this club?
Yeah, of course. You just need passion. That's all. अब
So
कितने सारे लोग.
we will be learning a lot of things here.
Yeah, you
So
will
that
be
would be a
learning.
problem, right?
Yeah,
Having a non-CS background. So okay,
yeah.
that.
It's just that you need passion. बाकी सब चीज हम लोग तुम्हें सब सिखा देंगे. बस पैशन होना चाहिए कि हाँ, अगर कुछ प्रॉब्लम है तो सॉल्व करे, उसको कुछ करे. बस यही चाहिए और कुछ नहीं.
Okay.
So, in a nutshell, we can say that DAC is a tool that helps students bridge the gap between theory and practice. Okay. अच्छा, तो consider this. तुम लोग जब कॉलेज ज्वाइन करोगे, कॉलेज ज्वाइन कर लिया ऑलरेडी, मतलब when the classes will begin. अच्छा, तो classes did the classes begin or not?
Yes, they started.
Yes.
Started.
Okay, that's great. So how are you liking the classes?
Online classes.
It's fine.
There's
Fine.
different problems due to online classes, but
Yeah. वो तो
some of
हम
the
लोग.
subjects they are like super
And
clear and
not so
other
much
not.
because of some interaction problems.
हम लोग तो खुद इतने बोर हो चुके हैं ऑनलाइन क्लासेस से, सही में यार. अच्छा, तो कंसिडर दिस. जब तुम कॉलेज में सी सीखोगे, यू विल लर्न जावा, कूल. देन तुम्हें प्रोग्राम लिखना होगा टू चेक फॉर पैरेंट रूम्स. अगर तुम वो भी कर सकते हो, ऑसम. अच्छा, तुम फिबोनाची सीरीज भी कोड कर लेते हो, ग्रेट. बट do you think when you do a job at some MNC or some other company, these companies would ask you to write this stuff? No, right? They want solutions to problems that are marketable. So तुम्हें कोई solution build करना पड़ेगा, ना कि ये सब एक दो लाइन कोड के लिखने होंगे. ये सब सिर्फ एक practice है. So that's exactly what we will learn in a DAC. We will get together, hunt down some problems, and build solutions to them. So our goal is to create impact students and empower them to impact the communities through technology. Okay. So now that I told you what a DAC is made of, what actually a DAC is, and the question that you might be thinking is how a DAC actually works. अच्छा, अब एक और चीज कंसिडर करो। आई विल मेक यू कंसिडर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, सो जस्ट बेयर विद मी। कि अगर तुम कोई बैटल में जाने से पहले, लाइक द सोल्जर्स आर ट्रेन, राइट? ऐसा नहीं होता कि किसी को भी उठाया, प्लेन में बिठाया और पैराशूट लेके कूदा दिया। ये सब सिर्फ पबजी में होता है। वो सॉरी होता था। सॉरी जलेबी नमक छिड़कने के लिए, बट यू गेट इट राइट।
आ जाएगा दिसंबर में।
ग्लोबल
आई वाज
वर्जन चल रहा है
वेटिंग,
अभी भी।
I
आई
was
वाज
also
वेटिंग
waiting.
हु वुड से दैट।
You know,
मुझे पता था
professional
जब मैं
career just ended, so yeah.
मुझे पता था
I
जैसे
am
मैं लाइन बोलूंगा कोई ना कोई बोलेगा वहां से
I
आने
am
वाला है।
I am playing PUBG in season 2.
Yeah,
अच्छा हम
I'm
Global
playing from
version of
beta.
PUBG is still working.
No, you need a
ओ,
VPN to access that, but your account will get
No,
banned.
I'm not using
It's
VPN. It's
हाँ
illegal,
still
हाँ,
working.
ये
नहीं
पबजी का
but
डिबेट
it's
सेशन
illegal.
नहीं है, पबजी का डिबेट
Without
सेशन नहीं
VPN
है।
is
Okay, but
also it's
Korean
working.
version is also there, no?
Yeah, Korean is
Yeah,
also working.
Still
but
guys,
Korean
this
is
is not
Korean and
about
global
it's a
both are
war.
working.
कुछ फोन
Korean
में
has
तो
a
वो
No
काम कर
VPN
रहा
is
है, कुछ
required.
फोन में नहीं कर रहा है।
अच्छा
That might
अच्छा,
be
ठीक है
possible.
ठीक है, ये पबजी का सेशन नहीं है, सुनो। ग्रेट, ठीक है, भूल जा मैंने पबजी के बारे में कुछ कहा। So before setting our foot in respective fields, we should first be trained. That's the thing. So that's exactly how a DSC works. It trains us by conducting workshops, hands-on training activities like study jam, hackathons, speaker sessions, and many more, where content on developer technologies is covered. So तुम्हें study jam का message मिला क्या? Like we'll be hosting a study jam, Android
no,
study jam.
Yeah.
No.
No.
Okay, so you will be getting it very soon. Study jams are like जहाँ पे हम लोग सब मिलके कुछ नया सीखते हैं, and for learning that thing we also get certificates and all, and so that's cool. And hackathons, किसी को पता है hackathon क्या होता है?
yes, like coding competition type का होता है, right?
Coding competition, yeah, हम लोग बोल सकते हैं. It's like यहाँ पे we generally participate in teams. Single hackathons भी होता होगा तो मुझे पता नहीं, but मैंने तो generally team में participate किया. And I did it before this COVID-19, so we gather at a place. अभी तो virtually भी होता है hackathons. We gather at some place, a team, generally a team of 4 to 5, and then we build a project. Okay, like the project, then the winner is selected on the basis of whose project is the best in terms of productiveness and all. और यहाँ हमें सब कुछ स्क्रैच से स्टार्ट करना पड़ता है। ऐसा नहीं कि तुम हैकाथॉन, क्योंकि इसमें टाइम लिमिट होता है जनरली 1 day 24 hours। तो ऐसा नहीं कि तुम बहुत टाइम से घर में प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो और वहां पे जाके बस एक दो लाइन लिख दिया हो गया, तुम्हें स्टार्टिंग से स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा। दैट व्हाट अ हैकाथॉन इज। सो विल आल्सो बी होस्टिंग हैकाथॉन्स, स्टडी जैम तो होने ही वाला है, and the speaker sessions and all will be continuing every weekend, I guess. And a DEC also works by building projects and hosting showcases, provide with a solution to local vendors and businessmen, and then share the projects carried out in university, in city, or in partnership with Google communities, that is GDG, GPG, or DevFest. तो जब हम लोग कोई सोल्यूशन बनाएंगे, कोई प्रोजेक्ट बनाएंगे, देन विल आल्सो शोकेस इट, राइट? वी हैव अ जीडीजी, दैट इज जीडीजी सिलीगुड़ी। हर सिटी या टाउन का जनरली एक डेवलपर ग्रुप होता है। इट्स जीडीजी स्टैंड्स फॉर गूगल डेवलपर ग्रुप. So in our city, it's GTG Siliguri. GPG is for like people with commerce background. It's for business, Google Business Group, and DevFest. So DevFest का किसी को कुछ आइडिया क्या होता है?
So like like when I was in like school, I heard about that DevFest was going to be organized at SIT.
Okay, yeah, it was organized at the SIT actually,
Yeah,
and yeah, तब मैं भी
that's
तब मैंने भी SIT. I was in first year, so that time first years that time the DevFest was only for second year and onwards, so we could not participate. So DevFest का होता है, it's like a festival for developers, जहाँ पे बहुत लोग आते हैं बाहर से, they speak about some technology, and बाकी लोग जो है जो attend करते हैं, and along with the speakers they can just chill, having you can ask in chat sessions and all, So समझ लो एक फेस्टिवल की तरह for developers, right? There is music and all also, so it's totally chilled out.
So
And
we can participate from first year only.
I guess not, because in my time, the Dev Fest was only for second year and onwards, so we could not participate. I don't know about this time. This time the Dev Fest was completely online, so I did not know you participated or not.
Okay. भैया आप
It
अभी
was on.
third year पे हो ना?
ना मैं second year में हूँ.
Okay, so I guess rules haven't changed yet.
Yeah. नहीं, इस बार Dev Fest was completely online, so like कोई कॉलेज में है नहीं, उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, कोई भी पार्टिसिपेट कर सकता था. और वो आई गेस 15-20 डेज पहले खत्म हुआ था Dev Fest. Okay, so yeah, that's how a DAC works. Now coming up to mission and vision of DAC. अब मैंने इतनी बार बोला है कि क्लियर हो गया होगा कि मैं आई एम सेइंग फ्रॉम द स्टार्टिंग that our very first goal at DAC would be to build solutions. ये solutions क्या? Like अगर तुम अपने आसपास देखो, you'll find so many problems, so many issues that you can actually improve. Like trust me, एक दिन ऐसा करना, just for 24 hours observe everything around you, okay? सोचो कि तुम क्या चीज को कैसे improve कर सकते हो and think about it. तो ऐसा नहीं कि तुम्हें 1 मिनट में ही कुछ दिख जाएगा, कुछ आइडिया आ जाएगा, 1 घंटे में भी नहीं आएगा, बट एट द एंड ऑफ द डे आई एम श्योर यू विल हैव एटलीस्ट 3-4 आइडियाज कि जहाँ तुम्हें इम्प्रूवमेंट का स्कोप दिखेगा कि हाँ ऐसा करने से कुछ नया हो सकता है, कुछ नया सोल्यूशन बन सकता है, एंड विल बी परप्लेक्स्ड लाइक कि येट हाउ मच वी आर येट टू अचीव. सो जस्ट लेट मी गिव यू अ हंच, ओके? लाइक जब मैं रिसेंटली, मुझे भी ऐसे ही कुछ आइडिया आया था. So farmers in India are exploited a lot, right? Because of middleman. तो उन्हें मार्केट से डायरेक्ट कनेक्ट करने में काफी प्रॉब्लम होती है, और that's where middlemen come into the picture. They connect farmers to the market, but they charge a hefty amount from farmers for that. So if you could build an app, not necessarily an app, but any solution through which the farmers could directly connect with the consumer market. So मार्केट में भी हमें कम प्राइस पे वेजीज मिलेंगी और फार्मर्स को भी काफी प्रॉफिट होगा. So the whole thing about middleman goes there, you know?
Yeah, we can have a like kiosk type center at the village
Yeah,
office.
yeah,
So
exactly.
even if the farmers, if they are not having their smartphones, they can go to the kiosk and just with their fingerprint they can access their account.
Okay. Yeah, that's a possible solution. Hard to implement, but a possible solution. Yeah, so that's great. Whoever you are, that's very great that you thought about it. और ऐसी बस कुछ भी सोचो, फर्स्ट आइडिया है, सेकंड आइडिया है, बहुत सारे आइडियाज आएंगे इससे. So now coming to what are the activities. So in DAC we'll focus, like these are only the highlights. The focus won't be limited to them, और बहुत सारे सेशंस होंगे, बहुत सारे अलग-अलग चीजें होंगे. But the main things are web development, Android development. We'll be having workshops like hands-on activities like hackathons, ML sessions, study jams, artificial intelligence ये काफी demand में है nowadays, and speaker sessions and much more. And voila, this time will also be first time I started DAC का that will be introducing competitive coding. And अब तुम जो भी कंपनी में जाओ, the very first thing that you should be confident about is competitive coding. क्योंकि इंटरव्यू क्लियर करने के लिए वो तुम्हें DSLO यानी डेटा स्ट्रक्चर एल्गोरिथम से इक्वेशन पूछेंगे, एंड यू शुड नो अबाउट दैट. सो जनरली होता क्या है रियल लाइफ में, kids don't know about what is competitive coding. They just go to the interview, and many of them, like 80% of them, have never took part in a hackathon or a competitive coding, so they don't know how to go with that. So अगर तुम्हें इस पे एक्सपीरियंस रहेगा जो हम लोग तुम्हें देंगे, तो it will be really beneficial for you. And एक काम करो, तुम चैट बॉक्स में like जो भी तुम्हारा नीश है, whatever you are interested in, just comment it in the chat box. So we'll be organizing the sessions according to that. जैसे अगर तुम्हें साइबर सिक्योरिटी में इंटरेस्ट है, So लिख दो कि cyber security and so on. So I'm interested in cyber security like that. So just do that. Now coming to the event timeline. So तुम लोगों ने तो
या अगर मल्टीपल चीजों में इंटरेस्ट है तो उस टाइम क्या
हाँ
करें मतलब
मल्टीपल चीजें लिख दो, जो जो चीजें इंटरेस्ट है सब लिख दो, 10 11 12 वी डोंट जस्ट लाइक
अच्छा ठीक है
ओके. So now coming to the event timeline, like actually DAC September से चल रहा है. It was formed in August, late August, and it's been continuing from September. तुम लोगों ने अभी ज्वाइन किया, so you've missed 3-4 sessions I guess, but कोई नहीं, जितना मिस किया उससे अब काफी ज्यादा गेन करने के लिए भी. So we started with programming language, where we did couple of sessions on Python. So हम लोगों ने Python scratch से सिखाया. Then we went to Cloud Academy, which was done in October. Cloud Academy क्या था? It was a program by Google, GCP. तो जहाँ पे हम लोगों ने कुछ quests and all complete किए. And now in the month of November, like I said कि हम लोग Android Study Jam करने वाले हैं. We'll go towards Android Academy, जहाँ पे हम लोग learn करेंगे how to build Android apps. And by the end of December, we are planning to conduct a hackathon. It's not a surprise hackathon because we have already told you about that. But yeah, तो जितने भी तुम लोगों ने अभी तक सीखा है, you could implement that actually. तो ये प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज और क्लाउड अकेडमी तो तुम लोगों ने मिस कर दिया, बट विल बी डूइंग एंड्रॉइड विद यू, राइट? सो एंड्रॉइड सीख के तुम हैकाथॉन में कुछ बना सकते हो. इट्स द मेन थिंग. नाउ कमिंग टू व्हाट आर द अपॉर्चुनिटीज. तो
अच्छा दादा एक क्वेश्चन था कि आप लोगों ने जो मतलब प्रोग्राम करवाया था वो इसके ऊपर था, पाइथन के ऊपर था. तो हम लोगों ने मतलब बहुत जन हम लोगों के क्लास में ऐसे भी है कि उन लोगों को ऑलरेडी पाइथन आता है, तो वो लोग हैकाथॉन में अगर चाहे तो मतलब पाइथन से पार्ट नहीं ले सकते क्या? मतलब
हाँ ले सकते, कोई भी चीज से, कोई भी लैंग्वेज में. हैकाथॉन इज ओपन टू एवरीथिंग. कोई लैंग्वेज कंस्ट्रेंट्स नहीं होता है हैकाथॉन में.
और अगर चाहे तो ऐप डेवलपमेंट का जो प्रोग्राम है आप लोग का वो सीख के वो पहले करके और पाइथन में भी हम अप्लाई कर सकते हैं हैकाथॉन और ऐप डेवलपमेंट के लिए भी, ऐसा हो सकता है ना?
यू मीन कि तुम पाइथन ऐप डेवलपमेंट के यूज कर सकते हो क्या? हाँ बट पाइथन इज जनरली नॉट प्रेफर्ड फॉर ऐप डेवलपमेंट. यू विल लर्न इट फर्दर.
मैं बोला कि मैं जैसे कि हैकाथॉन तो दोनों के लिए होगा ना, मतलब एक पाइथन के लिए अलग.
हैकाथॉन इज लाइक नहीं हैकाथॉन अलग अलग नहीं होता. हैकाथॉन इज लाइक हैकाथॉन. इसमें तुम्हें बस अपना कोई आइडिया बिल्ड करना है. अब तुम वो पाइथन से करो, जावा से करो, एंड्रॉइड ऐप बनाओ, कुछ भी करो.
ओके.
वो मैटर नहीं करता.
आफ्टर लाइक दिस थर्ड स्टेप एंड्रॉइड एकेडमी, सो इसके बाद तो हम लाइक हैकाथॉन में ज्वाइन कर सकेंगे ना? वी विल हैव इनफ नॉलेज.
हाँ, यू विल हैव अ बेसिक आइडिया हाउ टू डेवलप एंड्रॉइड ऐप्स, और उसी आइडिया से तुम कुछ ना कुछ तो डेवलप कर ही पाओगे.
सो बेसिक चीज होने से भी चलेगा, राइट?
हाँ, बेसिक चीज होने से भी चलेगा एकदम.
ओके.
और ये जो हैकाथॉन होने वाला है ये सिर्फ फर्स्ट ईयर स्टूडेंट्स रहेंगे उसमें या फिर मतलब सीनियर्स भी पार्ट लेंगे?
I guess the entire college. It's not finalized till now, but I guess the entire college.
तब तो
एंटायर कॉलेज होने से मजा आएगा.
अगर कंपटीशन होता तभी मजा आएगा. अभी तुम्हें डर लग रहा होगा, बट काफी इजी होता है और काफी फन भी होता है.
फर्स्ट ईयर में होने से क्यों क्या रहेगा कि सबका लाइक बेसिक सा ऐप होगा, मजा नहीं आएगा. लाइक थर्ड ईयर फोर्थ ईयर स्टूडेंट्स दे विल लाइक क्रिएट समथिंग.
अगर तुम फर्स्ट ईयर में ऐप बना रहे हो तो यही काफी बड़ी बात है. लोगों को थर्ड फोर्थ ईयर तक जाके भी ऐप बनाना नहीं आता, तो अगर तुम फर्स्ट ईयर में बना रहे हो वही काफी बड़ी बात है.
Like Chintu. Whitehead Junior.
Yeah, let's not talk about that.
That's a scam. Total scam.
Exactly. Scam 2020. Okay. So now coming to what are the opportunities. तो अब DAC ज्वाइन किए तो कुछ तो opportunities मिलेंगे. So let's look at them. So at DAC, we would provide you with the opportunity to grow your knowledge on developer technologies and more through peer-to-peer workshops and events. So ये तो काफी बेसिक है, राइट? अगर तुम कुछ नया चीज करोगे, नया कुछ बनाओगे, तो तुम काफी कुछ सीखोगे भी. So you will gain knowledge, great. Then you would also gain relevant industry experience by solving problems for local organizations with technology-based solutions. So DAC का क्या सबसे बेस्ट थिंग है ना, जो मुझे लगता है, it will never provide you bookish knowledge. ये जो बुक्स वगैरह से तुम कॉलेज में सीखोगे, इट्स लाइक बुकिश. और जो DAC से सीखोगे, इट विल बी practical experience, industry experience, the same experience that you will gain when you will work for a company in the future. So that is what the DAC will provide you with. And you will also get the opportunity to showcase your prototypes and solutions to your local community and industry leaders. So अगर अब तुमने कुछ प्रोजेक्ट वगैरह बना ही लिया है, तो बस फिर क्या, बस सबको शो ऑफ करना और अपनी तारीफें सुनना. ये. And एक और चीज, you would also be getting plenty, like काफी ज्यादा goodies and swags जब तक कि DAC complete होता है. And जैसा कि मैंने बोला था, in October we had a Google Cloud program. तो जिन लोगों ने, we had like 2 tracks, like 2 chapters थे समझो. तो जिन लोगों ने उसमें से एक भी चैप्टर पूरा कंप्लीट किया, तो उनको गूगल की तरफ से टी-शर्ट्स, स्टिकर्स एंड काफी सारा स्वैग्स आने वाले हैं by the end of this year. So no worries, you missed on that, but you will still have a lot of opportunities to gain many goodies. And I think यही पॉइंट सुन के तुम लोग काफी ज्यादा इंटरेस्टेड हुए होगे कि कुछ गुडीज वगैरह मिलेगा. So I guess यही अपॉर्चुनिटी सबसे पहले बोलना चाहिए था, but कोई नहीं. So now you have I can say a very basic idea of what a DAC is and how DAC functions and all. So with that, I would hand on the session to Manak Bhaiya, who would continue with the rest, and I'll meet you at the end of the session. So see ya.
Okay, so am I audible?
Yes.
Yes, Bhaiya.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. So really, Keshav did a very good introduction what DAC is. Firstly, let me introduce myself. My name is Manak Dasgupta. I'm also a part of DAC and obviously from Siliguri Institute of Technology. So firstly, congratulations to everyone for crossing your 10+2 and then coming to our college. So with what hopes you have came? So can I know that, but with what hopes you have joined our college, that what you will learn from here? Anyone can speak up. Come on.
Can I?
Yeah, sure.
I'm Priyanshu Sarkar. So I'm from Bagdogra, it's local,
Yeah.
And I joined SIT because it's near to home and more to it. It's like I went to this college 1 year back when I gave WebJitro. So I liked the college, like the SIT written. So it was good. The environment, I saw it was good. So I thought, why shouldn't I proceed with this one? So I tried and I came to SIT. And CSE, it's from my childhood. I liked computer. So I joined in CSE.
Superb. So see, it's correct that you have joined our college, and the college will provide you an awesome knowledge of almost the most of the main technologies that we need to know being an engineer or anything you can say. But as Keshav said, that what DAC is providing us. DAC is providing us all those things that are booming in our world or booming in the industries right now. Okay. So when Keshav was taking the session, I found someone was asking about that, what it means about DevFest, right? So since Keshav was in the first year that time, so Keshav didn't attend that one, but I was in second year that time, so I was there in the DevFest. So let me explain a brief about DevFest. DevFest is nothing but a very good meet up with all the great developers who has been featured by Google, and those are really awesome. And when SIT was having that Dev Fest 2 years back, then we made some brilliant engineers, and those engineers developed some real life solutions. And I'm sure that you will be also amazed if you can see that what they have developed, that are really awesome. Apart from all those things, this time so they first happened, but this time it was totally online, so everyone can participate in that. And I hope you guys can attend the Dev Fest in the next one, that is 2021. That Dev Fest, I think you guys can definitely attend. So there is no bar that you guys cannot attend, because in that time I hope you will be in the second year, or you will be passing in the second semester of the first year. So I hope you guys can attend that one. So that's it. And one more question I found, that you said that someone of you guys said that if anyone is not from CS background, then whether they can be a part of DSC, or they can participate, or they can work in those things. Firstly, I'm also not from CS background. I'm from electronics background. And if you want to be a part of it, then definitely you can be. The one and only thing is you need to be you need to be curious about something new you want to learn. Okay. And yes, you can do any kind of stuff. We will be providing all those things that Keshav has said. So that's the basic intro I was planning to give you. Now let's go to something that I would like to show you. Okay. Okay. Okay, is my screen visible? Please tell me.
Yes, visible.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, visible.
Yes.
Okay, fine. So before I start, I would like to show you a video. It's a video of Bijay. So before that, do anyone of you can tell me what is Google I/O? Anyone? Can anyone tell me what is Google I/O?
What's the I/O full form?
From summer camp, I think.
Okay, I didn't hear you. What you said? Can you please tell me once again?
It's like the developer conference held by Google, right? In California.
Exactly. It's nothing but it meet up with all the developers all over the world in California, and it's a giant meetup and an annual program of Google. Okay, so it's a clip of that event I would like to show you. So just see it. I hope you will enjoy it.
Google I/O. It's a dream of every developer. It gives you a different experience of what's going on around the world. I'm from Developer Student Club, Srinagar University. We have a team of about 20 people. They came up to me and they asked me, okay, so now we know little bit Android, what app should we make? I just told them one thing, look around. There are so many problems around you. The best way to build the app is build the solution for the problem which you think you can easily solve. Our college is 60-70 kilometers away from the major city of New Delhi, and it's really difficult to go there. People were scared to go alone and they had to pay really hefty amount to take the cab. So they thought, okay, let's make a simple portal, which I just put a request that I want to go, and people who want the cab, they will just join with me. We met Android developer experts, we met people from Google, people from Udacity. When I presented them the app, they told me really useful points. They told me we need to think more about security and privacy because we need to think of storing it in a better manner. So if you have an idea...
Okay, just wait for a second.
Yeah, your mic is turned on and the screen you're sharing is
Just hold on. Just hold on for a second.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, I'm presenting in once more. I think now it will work.
Google I/O. It's a dream of every developer. It gives you a different experience of what's going around the world. I'm from Developer Student Club, Srinagar University. We have a team of about 20 people. They came up to me and they asked me, okay, so now we know a little bit of Android, what app should we make? I just told them one thing, look around. There's so many problems around you. The best way to build the app is build the solution for the problem which you think you can easily solve. Our college, it's 60-70 kilometers away from the major city of New Delhi, and it's really difficult to go there. People were scared to go alone and they had to pay really hefty amount to take the cab. So they thought, okay, let's make a simple portal in which I just put a request that I want to go, and people who want to carpool, they will just join with me. We met Android developer experts, we met people from Google, people from Udacity. When I presented them the app, they told me really useful points. They told me we need to think more about security and privacy because we need to think of storing it in a better manner. So if you have an idea, or let's say you have a prototype of the app, if you think you really want to make an impact, you really want to make a change, then just find a DSC club near your college. We can help you. We can get you the right guidance on how you should build the app, on how you should learn to improve the app. I'm thankful that Android has given us this opportunity that we can actually solve problems in such a simple manner. All we need to do is just write simple app and we are helping somebody.
Can I ask a question?
Yeah, sure.
So this talked about only Android devices. What about the iOS ones?
Yeah, see, it's totally an idea by one of the student of one of the DSC. So it's not necessary that you need also to do the same like here. So it may happen that that app may have some loopholes, but it's all about what? It's all about creating a
The basic
solution.
idea, yeah.
Yeah, it's all about
Also, it is a thing of Google, right? So it is gonna be of Android. No iOS products or no iOS software should be made. Actually, it is from Google, right?
Yeah, that's the thing. But yeah, you can, it's not restricted that you need only to make Androids or something like that, but it's okay. If you have a solution for any of the problems, then also it's totally invited in DSC and you will be also be featured. If really your idea is going good, then definitely you will be featured.
Okay. So did anyone from our college ever visited one of these IO things?
No, not yet, but definitely we can hope that someone from your batch will be doing, or together we can do something like that. Is it fine?
So like we can form teams with seniors.
Definitely. If you are part of a DSC, if you are part of a DSC, then definitely we will be together doing something. It's not like that we are seniors, then definitely we will always teach. No, not like that. If you know something and if it is beneficial for our team, then definitely we are most welcome to develop, to share your knowledge with us. So DSC is totally about collaborating together. It's all about learning together. Okay. It's nothing like that we are senior, that means we will be always teaching. No, not like that. It's all about sharing knowledge. It's nothing like teacher and student that is available in college. But हम लोग तो teacher student नहीं है ना, हम लोग तो just we will be discussing and we will be developing solutions for all the problems around us. That's our main target, right?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So there is one more story. So I will share that one also. Just hold on.
I'm from Techno India NJR. It's in Udaipur, Rajasthan. The Developer Student Club, we are helping the students to get on board with the technology and to get internships and jobs. Teachers are not there teaching technology in the school times, so I thought like I can be the person who can teach them there are many local businesses out there, and they are reaching to us now. They want their own platforms to sell their things. This is like bridging the gap between the students and the local business. So students are learning and doing a practical job. The application I bought here, it's called Gym Buddy. There are many people, like about 30 to 40 people in our gym. There is only one gym trainer, and the gym trainer is not able to focus on every person properly. So we thought to build this application. What GymBuddy does, it's like you can schedule your exercises on basis of you want to lose fat or if you want to gain weight. You can also buy supplements from it. You can even have a water reminder so that every person can feel like they are connected with this gym. Yeah, App Clinic is really awesome. We built something in our city and we present it in front of the Googler who built the platform using which we built the application. Like what? Like it's really awesome. And the reviews we got, it's not about like a gym in my city is having the problem. It's about the gym all over the world. So we can make this application now a global.
We are going to get a feedback to the team members. The reviews are making our application much more good. And maybe one day it will get 1 million installs.
Okay, so do you guys like it?
Yes.
Yeah.
What are you thinking?
Yes.
So, are you thinking to be a part of DSC? Are you planning to enjoy with DSC?
Of course.
Yes.
Of course.
Yes.
That's why we are here.
Okay, fine. That's cool. That's cool. See, one thing that here the boys said, and that's literally very much similar, and you will also realize this thing after you start joining your classes. See, in college, you will have almost all the knowledge that are required, but the thing is, those are limited to our academics only. But the thing is, the academic knowledge is good, but not applicable in our real life. So while we are developing solutions, while you are going to work for a company, or while you are trying to open your own venture, then you need your practical knowledges, or you need some hand-on things or some hand-on projects, something that you can show. So that thing you need to work with some people, some like-minded people through whom you can work, you can develop yourself, as well as you can make your product or make your application much more beautiful. So here is all about DSC. Means this is all the things that DSC will provide to each and everyone, not only to you, to all other participants, to everyone who are being a part of DSC. Okay, so this one, let's come to a solution challenge. So what is a solution challenge? So the solution challenge is an annual contest presented by the DSC Developer Students Club that invites all the students to develop their local community solutions for any problem. Okay, one thing is that you need to use any of the Google product or platform. So this is nothing but a solution challenge is what? An annual contest. Okay, so it is an annual contest which DSC organize every year. And in this contest, every student can participate who is a part of DSC, and they need to solve a problem of our local community. So how you have to do it? First, we will share with you a registration form or something like that. A registration process will be there. You have to just register there. Then there will be some dates, a timeline, or you can say a deadline will be given to you. You have to build a product within that time, and you have to submit it. And then there is nothing other than celebration. Right, so this is all about solution challenge. So you have to keep your all things ready that soon we'll be launching some solution challenge. So you have to keep your ideas in your mind that what problems in our communities there, our localities there that can be solved with the help of all these ideas that are booming in your mind now. Right. So I hope you are getting this thing.
Yes.
Okay, fine, cool. Chalo. So now the prerequisites. See, everything needs a prerequisite and everything always have a prerequisite. But the thing is, in DSC, the prerequisites are quite interesting. What are those? You need to have a very little amount of time. Okay, just keep a little time for DSC so that in every week you can work for it, or you can say you can participate in all the events of DSC. Next, you have to be curious, because curiosity is the best thing, right? Curiosity is the best thing which a student should have, and being an engineer, it should be in your blood, right? Other than that, enormous interest, because we will be dealing with almost the booming technologies that are moving all around the IT firms right now, and so we'll be working with all those all those technologies. And what we will be having, we'll be having the hackathons, we'll be having those study jams, we'll be having that speaker sessions. So all these things will be there. So the one and only thing that you should have, that is the enormous interest to grab all those things, right? So these are the basic prerequisites to be a part of DSC. Okay, next, what are the outcomes? So can you predict that what can be the outcomes if you be a part of DSC? Someone, can anyone tell me what can be the outcomes if you be a part of DSC?
We
will grow our skills and also get goodies, Google goodies.
Okay, yeah, that's the important point. Yes, now this one is important point. Get our goodies. Yes, goodies, grow our skills. Then,
and we will learn in a community. Like we'll understand teamwork.
That's cool. That's really bang on. Okay, community. Then,
we could also have like access to various Google resources, right?
That's the superb thing. Okay, apart from goodies, this is the best thing that you can get, because if you are not being a part of DSC or something like this, then access to Google resources is quite difficult and highly payable. So in that case, this one is very much helpful. Others, anything else?
What kind of resources are we going to have access to?
Yes, that one you will get to know as well as soon as you will be a part of a study jam. When our study jam will start, then you will be getting access to almost most of the highly paid resources of Google. Such as, let me give you an example, such as a few days back, we have GCP, that is Google Cloud Platform. You know that Google Cloud is a paid area, means where you have to find and then you have to do it. But for a 1 month time, we have been given a free access to Google Cloud with 600 credit points to do any lab you want, and they have also given us a syllabus. So apart from completing that syllabus, we can do any lab we want, we can study anything, and it is completely free.
Okay, that's almost $1,000 right there.
Yeah, it's completely totally free for you, and this can be only done if you're being a part of DSC. And apart from all this thing also, if you can complete that GCP one, means totally all the labs are done with 100% completion, then you will be getting some certificates, badges, and batches consisting of the Google Cloud batches, okay, along with Google goodies. Okay, so these are some fascinating things about DSC. I hope I'm clear.
Yes.
Yes. Cool, fine. So let's move on. Let me show what outcomes that you can get. All the things that you said are completely correct, but let us see what outcomes can you get. First thing, teamwork, right? Teamwork means collaborative learning. See, teamwork, why I think that teamwork is important, I think you guys will also agree with me that, see, suppose I am planning to build something, a solution that can help our students of our college to access our library, right? But I have some ideas like developing something where the library books and other segments are divided in a proper way. When some of you came up to me and said that, Bhaiya, we can develop this thing like this way. So if I build a team with some good and some innovative minds like you, then what will happen? Finally, my app will be something very much interesting. And that is our main goal. So we are ready to make teamwork. We are ready to collaborate with all of you guys. So be a part of the DSC. And in DSC, we will be working in teams, and teams can do a better work than an individual, right? Although, so this is a very important part of DSC, or you can say a good outcome. Next, we have professional growth. See, professional growth, why it is very much important, personal skill enhancement, because see, In college, we are learning many subjects, many technologies, many cool stuffs. But the thing is that are not applicable, properly not applicable. I will not directly say that are not applicable, but that are not properly applicable in our real life. Okay. See, because nowadays the technologies are updating. Since they're updating, so what we are happening, sometimes we need to grab up, we need to take some new or latest technologies that will help our system to work properly. So to develop these skills and to get the latest or trending technologies, we are here. So this can be done by working together, and this will be very much helpful for personal skill enhancement. Next, network growth. This is very interesting thing. Means this one is very much beneficial. I will also share a personal experience. See, in DevFest that was happened last 2 years back that I said, I met nearly 12 12, they are the Google developers. Okay, you can say they are Google developers because those 12 developers are featured by Google. And literally those developers came in contact with me in LinkedIn also after the DevFest. And even today also I know few people, those who keep contact with me. Even I am really happy that they are till now keeping contact with me in Facebook or in LinkedIn also. So now also we were literally discussing about few interesting stuffs. So this increases my network growth. So it gives a very good exposure to get those like-minded people in our environment, or you can say all those like-minded people, those who are working in suppose in some other states, but we don't know. But here we will get in connection with all those of them. So this is a very good opportunity to develop such good networks, and you will understand this one when we will go in the 3rd year and 4th year, because network growth is very much important when you will be in your final years. This is very much important. Next, community learning. As one of you have already said that community learning is a good source, because building a strong community means finding solutions much more easily, right? So this is a very good source of this DSC, that we are getting a community learning feature in DSC. Now attend the application. So how you need to apply means how you be a part of DSC. Now we came to some practical things. Okay, so all the theoretical stuffs, all those things are gone. I hope everyone is clear about whatever I said till now. Please tell me once again.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, cool. Now let's come to the practical. Okay, now let's see some hands-on thing. So how you need to apply. Okay, see, first be a part of our DSC chapter. So how many of you are part of our DSC chapter? Please tell me. How many of you have already been a part of our DSP chapter?
Me.
DSC chapter?
Me, भैया.
Okay, none of you or some of you?
Yes.
Okay.
WhatsApp पे एक
by
लिंक
filling
आया
the
था,
form.
वो ज्वाइन किया था.
Okay, fine, cool.
भैया वो फॉर्म फिल करना था.
See, you have to fill a form. Also, you have to log into our DSC chapter. I will show you. I
हाँ,
request
वो
some.
लॉगिन किया था. वो लॉगिन किया था.
DSC. Okay, fine. Okay, let me show you also. Wait. So this one is our link for our DSC, the DSC community. So let me show you. Wait. Okay. So this is the link. So clicking this one, you will get something like this. So are you guys getting this thing? Have you got this thing while filling this one form? See my one.
Yes.
Okay, see my one is already logged in, but you will have to log into this one. Okay, this is our chapter page. Yeah, tell.
Actually, I filled the form, but I have not got something like this.
Okay. So we will share you this link. Okay, I request someone, Keshav or Chaitali, if you can please send them the link in the chat box. Okay, so they will send you this link, and through this link, what you can do, you can just log into our chapter, so that you can get all the notification. What are the things that are happening? Okay, fine. Now let's come to one more thing. Now let's come to this thing: how to collect RSVP. So do you know how to collect RSVP? Means how to fill this form. It is simple like form filling. How to fill this form?
Yeah, we know that.
Yes, we have done that. Yes, we have done.
We have done that. Then it's cool. Now, let me show you one thing. If you have registered to our this page, then you will go down, you will see that upcoming events. We will be having an upcoming event that is Android Study Jam, right? How many of you have seen this thing, Android Study Jam? This is an upcoming event. Have anyone seen this thing?
No,
Yes.
still like registering, so I haven't seen.
मैंने
Okay.
भैया I'll sorry to interrupt.
Yes, sure,
Okay,
sure.
so guys, तुम लोगों को अपने
Yes, I am saying.
कॉलेज के ग्रुप में एक फॉर्म मिला होगा. Previously मिला है सब कोई फॉर्म.
Yes,
Like not
yes.
this one, but
Yes.
that one was for core team. Okay, so अभी तुम्हारे पास एक opportunity भी है. Like you can fill that form up. फिर तुम्हारा एक इंटरव्यू होगा. And if you are selected, you will be selected as a core team member. तो जिन लोगों को core team member बनने में interest है, you can fill that form up. And ये जो मैनक भैया दिखा रहे थे, it's for the DSC chapter. कि DSC chapter में कैसे join करें, वो तो तुम्हें करना ही होगा अगर तुम DSC join कर रहे हो. You will have to join the DSC chapter. But the core team, that's up to you. अगर तुम्हें core team में आना है, then you can fill that form up. We'll take an interview and then we'll let you know if you're selected or not. Cool?
Okay, so core team में आने के लिए like basic programming आना चाहिए होगा या फिर नहीं हो चाहिए?
I guess तुम्हें कुछ knowledge होना पड़ेगा. कुछ you just fill that form up like frankly जितना तुम्हें आता है जितना कुछ, and upon that we'll select. Okay?
Where can I get that form?
It's been already sent to you in your class group.
Okay.
Okay, so what we can do, we can send you our chapter link as well as that code team link in the chat box, or after this session we will send you in your WhatsApp groups. Okay, is it fine for everyone?
Yeah, you do one thing, bhaiya.
Yes,
You
bhaiya.
join the DSC group, the chat link which you just shared right now. Someone shared the group link. I
Okay.
joined. You can send those two links for the core team and to join the chapter group. The two links you can send there in the
Definitely.
DSC group.
It will be fine. We will be sending you the chapter link as well as the code team link also.
Yeah.
But make sure that you should be a part of our chapter, okay? Because that is
Yeah.
necessary. Okay. So I hope everyone has seen this, our upcoming event, Android Study Jam. Okay.
Yes.
So if anyone has not seen it, then they can definitely visit this page and they can get it. You can check the details also, how means what are the things, date, time, and all this thing. And here you have to collect your RSVP. So this is the part where you have to collect your RSVP. You just need to click and get the RSVP done. I hope everyone know how to collect the RSVP, or I need to show you. Just tell me. I can show you also if you want.
You can show.
No.
Okay.
So
I'm
please.
showing it. So if anyone doesn't know, then they can check it. Just click on it. So they will send you a form. Okay, means what are the things you know, your information, basic information. So it's already filled for me because I'm already being a part of DSC. If it is not filled for you, just put your name and your email ID, your details, what you would like to be, your skill level and all those things, and click submit. Bas, RSVP confirmed. A very simple step. You will also get a mail in your Gmail account also. Simple. They will also ask you to fill this form and get your picture so that they can feature you. Okay. Since I have already been featured in DSC, so I am not filling it. But what you will do after being confirming this RSVP, you just fill all these details, give your picture here, upload a picture, and then click this one, request to be a featured attendee. I am already being a part of DSC and I am already featured by DSC. So that's why I am not filling this thing up. But you guys can definitely do it. Is this thing clear?
Sir, time zone?
Okay, yes, timing is given from 4:30, 1st December, and it's Indian Standard Time.
What's our time zone?
Oh, are you telling this one? It's obviously 0530.
It's
Indian Standard Time.
Kolkata written.
Yeah. So definitely you can get it. Okay. Is it clear? Please tell me, is it clear or not?
Yes,
Yeah,
it's clear.
Yes, clear.
Okay. So I have shown you how to fill the application form. I have shown you how to be a part of our chapter. Now, after any event, this is a mandatory thing. After any event you participate, it can be a study jam, it can be a workshop, it can be a hackathon, anything. The last thing is you have to fill the form for the feedback, because feedback form is for two purposes. One, for developing our upcoming event, and second, if there is any certification procedure or something like that, then definitely after filling the feedback form, we can send you the certificates and all those stuffs that are required. Okay, so these are some basic things. Apart from this, any community has a community guidelines. I think you guys are quite good enough by having a conversation with you all through online only. I can feel that you guys are quite good. But then also I should say the community guidelines, you need to be nice, be respectful. Obviously, that's a basic thing. Everyone should be respectful, collaborative. See, everyone should be collaborative. We are here to collaborate with one another. Participate. Everyone should participate in almost most of the events. Try to participate in every event if possible. Because see, getting knowledge is good thing. Okay, it's nothing that you are wasting anything. You are gaining something. So what is what's not to participate? Just participate in almost every event. And then step down considerably, be etiquette in online discussions. See, one more thing I'd like to clear here. That is very important. That is, now since it's a COVID situation, we are having this online form of this. We are taking these things in Google Meet and all those things. But as soon as the college open, we will be conducting each and everything in our seminar hall. I think, have you seen that JCBO seminar hall in our college? The big seminar hall? Anyone has seen that one?
Yes.
Okay.
I actually been there like quite a few times.
Okay, fine. That's cool. If anyone has seen that one, this is good. If anyone has not seen, then it's a very big seminar hall. Not that much big, but big to organize good seminars. So we'll be conducting almost every events there. We will have the presentation and all those things there, and we'll have some hands-on practice also. So since it is online, so we are trying to do our best through the online method. But otherwise, as soon as our college open, we'll be doing through all this thing in our offline mode only. Okay, so apart from joining our chapter, what you can do, you can also connect us to our social media handles. There are all social media handles given. You can just get in touch with anyone, or if possible go through everyone, because we update each and everything there. And even sometimes we are having some monthly quizzes or weekly quizzes, and those who are doing well in that, we are also featuring them. Okay, in LinkedIn as well as in Twitter also, we are also giving there something like that. Mostly in LinkedIn we are doing. First of all, how many of you have a LinkedIn account? First tell me that one.
I have.
I have
also. I also have.
Yeah, we have an LinkedIn account.
Good. If anyone don't have LinkedIn account, take your time, 30 minutes in your hand, and make it today only. Because this is the most important thing. No one asks for your Facebook ID, okay? And if someone asks for your Facebook ID, then talk with him later, okay? First, do the LinkedIn stuff. If someone is asking for the LinkedIn ID, then it's good. So make your LinkedIn and do follow us. And in LinkedIn also you can get, I will just show you one thing. In LinkedIn, you can check it, how it looks like. So this is our LinkedIn account. So you can just connect with us in LinkedIn, and here we post all the quizzes and all the updates that are going to come. You are definitely connected on WhatsApp also, but do follow us in LinkedIn as well as in other social media handles also. So I think this is the basic thing that are required, and I hope till now everyone is clear. If there is anything, then you can ask me. Any questions? Even not only me, I am also here. Keshav is also there. I think Chetal is also here. So in any question, you can just ask me or ask us.
I have one.
Yes.
Yeah. So this DSC is completely exclusive to students, right?
Yeah, that's I have already answered. Then also I'm telling. See, I am also from electronics background, electronics and communication background. DSC is totally focused on your skills and for developing skills. It's a bridge between a novice and an expert. Okay, it's not about your background, from which department you are coming. It's all about that how much you are interested to learn something and develop it. That's it. If you are interested in the technologies that DSC is providing you, then you are most welcome to be a part of DSC.
You can be a student of mechanical or either food technology.
Definitely. It's nothing like that. You can be a part of anything, but you should be interested to those technologies that is DSC is providing to you.
Can he or she be of class 11, 12 also?
See, we have to check our guidelines, but if it is that if he or she's idea is really good and if it is presentable, then definitely we can welcome them, because see, knowledge doesn't binds us to our standard, but if it is helpful, then definitely we can welcome them. Even, do you know that in last year, in last 2 years back in DevFest, we have a student from class 12. Do you know that boy? I just forget his name. He was also in my WhatsApp also. I think his name was he's from Jalpaiguri, I think so. I just forgot his name. He has gone to Google in California. He has already visited that one for developing for clearing a solution challenge. Okay, so he was that time in class 12, but he was welcomed in that DevFest one. So we all was in second year, third year, fourth year students, but he was from class 12. So there is nothing, no problem. And the most interesting thing is he also got some consolation prize, or I think he came third in the hackathon that happened at the end of the GDG. So that's really cool. Okay, so anyone can be a part of that. But the thing is, you need to be interested and you need to be very much curious. I've shown you the prerequisites. So that are the basic things that are needed. Okay, so any more questions?
Guys, one more thing. Just as I said, we'll be conducting an Android study jam later in the month. So we'll be sending you out, we'll be ruling out the forms, and you will be getting that in your college group. So if you are interested, please fill that. You'll also be getting certificates on completion. And जिसको zero knowledge है programming में, वो भी participate ले सकता है, because we'll be starting from scratch. Okay, so just fill that form out if you're interested.
Yeah, so as Keshav said that most of the events of our DSC are starting from scratch. So don't be afraid that if you don't know anything, okay, it's fine. Even when we started, we also don't know many things. But as we started, we came in collaborating with many people. We came in a community and we get to know many things. And now at least we are better than a novice. So it's good that if you don't know anything, just come, learn from scratch and develop with us. Okay.
Bhaiya, can you give a brief about DSC, that DSC WOW campus ambassador program?
Yes, that Keshav, can you please continue with that campus ambassador program?
Yeah, sure. So, okay, what DSC WOW is, it is actually a very big event of 2020. Actually, you can say one of the largest events where all the DSCs around India, about 120 DSC or so, will be gathering and will be hosting a 4 to 5 day session. We'll be covering various tracks, AI, ML, Android, you name it, we got it. And we'll be having speakers from Google, and we'll be having a 48-hour hackathon called the Code of Duty, where you can, I don't think you'll be able to develop now, because we'll first give you the knowledge, but yeah, you can always take part as a campus ambassador program, where your responsibility would be to promote that DSC WOW program in your college. Okay?
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, so any more questions? Anything, you can ask anything. Be casual and just ask it, because don't keep your doubts. Just ask it.
Sir, what's our LinkedIn URL?
For DSC?
Yes, for DSC.
Yeah. Okay, I'm just okay. Someone, Keshav, can you please send it in the chat box, because they can click it from there only, if it is possible. Otherwise, you can just connect it from here also.
Okay, just a minute, I'm sending.
Okay. Anything else? Anyone? Okay, how are you enjoying your online classes? Tell me that one. That should be an interesting answer.
Neutral. Just neutral. Nothing interesting.
Okay, that
Much
was
difficult
We were
to
hoping
understand, interact.
one by one. I'm getting a noise answer. So noise answer cannot be an answer. Okay, don't be diplomatic. Okay, tell me the honest answer. So how you are enjoying?
We aren't enjoying at all, actually.
You can call out our names.
Okay, okay.
It's like okay, it's not so great. Like there are some problems we are suffering, but it's okay. Like I don't think it's so good like that we would have enjoyed like as a physical classes.
Okay. I hope you will be enjoying as soon as the physical classes starts, because I know it's online classes. It's like means you're just watching a video, something like that, right?
No, actually, watching a video would have been better, actually, because the connection quality would be better there. We do not have to deal with the lags and the skipped words that people say. Actually, the lecturers or the sirs say, and that would be a little bit better watching the videos instead of watching teachers live trying to teach and try to make sense out of what they are saying. Actually,
Correct. Perfect. That's cool. So
But
I
you
think
cannot interact with the teachers when you are watching pre-recorded videos, right?
that's also correct. That's also
yeah,
correct.
but interaction with the teachers aren't actually helping that too, na. So that's a point too.
If you are having a doubt, the teachers are trying to explain you in a much simpler way. But yeah, the lag issue, it's real. It's really frustrating.
Yeah. So apart from teachers, are you guys interacted among yourself, or have you not done?
That is up to
Yeah, we have interacted ourselves, but still.
That's important. Means do you have some WhatsApp group or something like that, right?
Yes.
Yeah, sure.
Actually,
Yeah.
too many of those.
Okay. Yeah, that's a common thing in first years. Many WhatsApp groups having the same talk. Okay, fine. So I hope there is no questions left. If there is any, then you can ask me. Otherwise, if you want to connect to me also, then you can also get in touch with me. I'm also in LinkedIn. You can also get my WhatsApp number also. Just I'm in the DSC group also. If anyone is there, you can get in touch with me also there. And anything else? Any doubt or anything? Or should we? Chaitali, are you there?
Actually, Chaitali is facing some issues with her laptop, so she won't be there. But do you guys want a photo shoot?
Yeah, definitely. Everyone should want.
Yeah.
So I want to turn on the camera.
I want.
Just turn on your cameras, everyone, please. Okay, if anyone is gone to have some makeup, then also we can wait. Otherwise, we can have that photo shoot. Oh, sorry, I have only not turned on my camera. Wait. Yeah, fine. I hope I am visible, right? Yeah.
You are.
Okay, so everyone can smile. So that we
Bhaiya,
can
you
prove,
look like mortal.
okay, so that we can prove that we have not taken a boarding session. Okay, so I hope everyone enjoyed it. Please give your feedback. That is also important.
Oh, but where? The DSC website.
No, just give our feedback in now on. You can give it to us. I'm also here. Keshav is also here. Chaitali is also here, so you can give the feedback.
Bhaiya, you look like mortal.
Okay, that's great. So that's
I think I've seen it somewhere.
I feel the concept of DSC is really interesting, like something very different and unique, and something very much useful in our career life, like really.
That's really good. Anyone else?
Yeah, I'm really looking forward to like join the like DSC seminars and all, because I'm always fascinated by all these things. So yeah.
That's good.
Yeah,
Fine.
and also the good interactions that we're gonna have with our seniors, and also many other people who are gonna join in the future or are already existing there.
Definitely. Because these are the basic things. Because from 6 months from now, you will be someone who will be giving this type of info sessions to your juniors. So
I'm
you,
looking forward to that too also.
yeah, because you need to be
And
someone who
also
is holding
कि
our team.
कुछ नया सीखने मिलेगा बस.
Definitely, definitely. Okay. So I think we have a great session today. Thank you everyone for joining the session. So Keshav, should we end the session?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, fine. So enjoy your day. Have a great weekend. I hope tomorrow there is no classes from college. So enjoy yourself. Thank you everyone.
Enjoy
for-
the Sunday. See ya.
Thank you, Bia.
Okay. Chalo, bye.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot, you audience. You all were awesome.
कॉलेज में मिलते हैं भैया.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.